to be able to play literally every single disco song on drums ever, even if you've never played drums before, then this is the only groove you're going to need. First of all, you're going to place your right hand over here on what we call the hi-hat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, yes, we're going to count out loud, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 on the snare drum, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now the fun part, bass drums on beats 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you've got 1, 2, so with the snare drum, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. If you really want to sell it, make sure everything is coming down nice and together, so not like this. Doesn't quite feel right. But take that away, speed it up a little bit, and you'll literally be able to play every single disco song. Kid you not. Enjoy.